Welcome to Bright Facts Collection. Presenting 10 brain damaging foods you must avoid. Our brain is the most important organ in our body. It controls all functions of our body, interprets information, and embodies the essence of our mind and soul. That's why it is essential to keep our brain healthy and in good condition. Some foods have negative effects on our brain, impacting our memory, our mood, and increasing our risk of dementia. The following are the foods that you must avoid to keep your brain healthy. Number 1. Sugary foods and drinks. Excess sugar impairs both our cognitive skills and our self-control. Throughout the body, excess sugar is harmful. Even a single instance of elevated glucose in the bloodstream can be harmful to the brain, resulting in slowed cognitive function and deficits in memory and attention. Some research suggests high sugar consumption causes inflammation in the brain, leading to memory difficulties. Number 2. Salty foods. Too much salt that we eat can have dangerous effects on our brain power. Previous studies suggested that high levels of salt in the diet can cause immune changes in the gut that lead to reduced blood flow in the brain and impaired condition. It may lead you to brain-related problems such as cerebrovascular disease, stroke, and cognitive impairment. Number 3. Fish high in mercury. Mercury is a neurological poison that can stay in animal tissues for a long time. Predatory fish are prone to mercury and can carry concentrated quantities over 1 million times that of their surrounding. Mercury exposure at high levels can harm the brain, heart, kidneys, lungs, and immune system of people of all ages. King mackerel, marlin, orange roughy, shark, swordfish, tilefish, ahi tuna, and bigay tuna all contain high levels of mercury. Number 4. Trans fats. Trans fats cause a series of problems, from heart-related issues to elevated cholesterol and obesity. Trans fats can also have other effects on your brain. If consumed for too long, they can result in a sort of brain shrinkage that is somewhat similar to the shrinkage caused by Alzheimer's disease. Studies have also shown that high levels of trans fats may reduce serotonin production in the brain, leading to depression. Number 5. Artificial food additives. Those who work with hyperactive children have long claimed that their behavioral disorders can be triggered and made worse by certain nutritional food additives, specifically the acidic colors, artificial sweeteners, some preservatives, and some flavor enhancers such as MSG. These activate neurotransmitters which can cause problems with mood, memory, addictions, energy, and sleep. Number 6. Processed foods. Processed foods contribute to excess fat around the organs, which is associated with a decline in brain tissue. Processed foods also impact your central organs, nervous system, and they also increase the risk of developing a degenerative brain disorder later, such as Alzheimer's disease. These foods are usually high in calories and low in other nutrients. They're exactly the kinds of foods that cause weight gain, which can have a negative effect on your brain health. Number 7. Too much red meat. Some red meat is good for you, but you don't want to have too much in your diet. Studies have shown a correlation between populations that eat diets high in red meat and increased instances in Alzheimer's disease. This can lead to cell deterioration and damage in the brain. Eat more plant-based meals and avoid eating red meat every day to make sure you aren't getting too much of a good thing. Number 8. Fried foods. Fried foods can cause difficulty for your brain in controlling what you eat. A study found that consuming fatty foods affects the hypothalamus, a part of the brain that helps regulate hunger. This can cause inflammation in the brain as well as reduces an individual's cognitive function that make it more difficult to control eating habits. Number 9. Junk foods. Junk food is one of the leading causes of obesity and can increase your risk of developing diabetes. New research shown that junk food can also negatively affect your memory. Bad diets have been linked to dementia due to high blood pressure and cholesterol disrupting the blood supply to the brain. Number 10. Alcohol. Drinking alcohol affects the brain, resulting in difficulty walking, blurred vision, slurred speech, slowed reaction time, and impaired memory. Alcohol is associated with a host of familiar cognitive changes, such as a loss of inhibitions, confused or abnormal thinking, and poor decision making. Alcohol abuse and heavy drinking can cause serious long-term damage to the brain. Now that you know the foods which are dangerous to your brain, the best thing that you can do is to have a healthy diet and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching! If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more upcoming videos.